Hi, if you're new to this channel, welcome and join the fun. And if you're a regular, thanks to you, The Art of Science is now going on to the next level. We've already reached number 70 in feedspot.com's list of top 100 YouTube science channels in the world. Together, we can keep climbing to the top. And your continuing support is required. All you have to do is please subscribe and get your friends to subscribe too. There's so much fun to be had while we make things and enjoy science. This year has been exciting for me because 1. I got to do a TEDx talk about a new concept. 2. I got funded by YouTube that helped me get into curriculum-based science as well. 3. I got to share my story as a speaker at the YouTube's EduCon. And 4. I was invited as a speaker at the India Design Summit. The only problem in all this is that these things took up a lot of my time. But now we'll launch a new episode every Wednesday. And I've already got some cool merch for the channel. And soon we will even start memberships so that we can even interact a little more. And once again, keep watching and please subscribe.